Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain VENMO app review to see if it is the best payment app of your choice. VENMO is a popular peer-to-peer payment app owned by PayPal, designed to make spending and receiving money between friends and family quick and easy. Users can link their bank account, debit or credit card to the app, allowing for seamless transaction. VENMO social feed features lets users share payment notes with emojis, adding a social element to financial exchange. The app also offers a debit card, enabling users to make purchases directly from their Venmo balance. However, it's important to note that funds stored in Venmos are not FDIC insured, and these have few associated with certain transactions such as instant transfer and credit card payment. Venmo is a convenient tool for everyday transaction among friends and family, offering a user-friendly interface and a social features. While it excels in ease of use, users should be aware of its limitations, including potential fee and lack of FDIC insurance. So for those seeking a simple way to handle casual payment, Venmo is a solid choice, but it's advisable to use it alongside more secure financial service for larger transactions. And that's it.